Hey everybody, y'all know when I used to have a shop, it was called Rose Cottage, and so I like to decorate with as many roses as I possibly can. Not only did I have roses growing on lattices around it, but I had wreaths and all kinds of rose bouquets in vases sitting around. And I made my own roses out of coffee filters. So today I want to show you how to do it. It's super easy to do. You can make some beautiful things. In fact, here's one I made just today. Isn't that beautiful? Beautiful pink rose. Now you can make yellow roses, white roses, pink. You can make a variety of colors of roses, all kinds of pretty colors of roses, and even combine colors to get some pretty colors. And I'm going to show you how you're going to do that. So all you need, coffee filters and food coloring. Now, I have red today. I went to the store and looked for food color, and I cannot find my food coloring, but I used to have a lot of yellow roses, of course. I had pink roses. And what you do, and I'll show you that right quick. Just going to take a pan, put some water in it, and a few drops of food coloring. I hope you're seeing this. Take a coffee filter, put down in there, and let it soak. And let it soak for about 20 minutes or so. I'm hoping that's showing up. So while that's soaking, I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay. So you let those soak, and what you're going to get are pieces like this, and each rose needs about 3. You can add more. You can have 4 if you want, 5, 6, whatever you want. This one I soaked longer than the others, and so it's darker. So see, if you add more of your food coloring and less water, you're going to get a more intense color. So it's up to you what you want to do. Alright, so let's see how to do this. You're going to need floral tape. If you want stems on your roses to put in a vase, you will need some floral wire, or those long pipe cleaner type things like that. Okay, so here we go. This is going to be the very first one. It's going to be the center of our rose. This part right in here. We're going to take it and fold it over. Just fold it. We're going to start right about here in the middle. Put your finger on that and just start rolling it up. Just rolling it around. And you will notice as you go, you're starting to get a bud. Keep rolling. And you have a bud. Okay, hold on to that. Pinch it right down at the bottom like this. Take your next filter, fold it in half, lay that one on it, and start rolling it around. And this time you're going to be a little more loose with it. You're not going to roll it quite so tight, because these are going to form the petals around the center of the rose, around the center bud. You're just going to wrap it on around. Pinch it. You take the next one. Same thing. Lay it down. Start rolling it around. This time I'll even more loose than the other one. Bring it on around. Pinch it. I've got it pinched right down here. You're going to take your tape. You're going to wrap around the base. Now, like I said, if you want a stem, stick one of these up in it and then wrap your tape around it, and you'll have a stem. Now, when I made my wreaths and things with it, I didn't want stems because I'm going to hot glue the rose around the wreath anyway. So I did not need stems. Now you're going to kind of work your rose out. There it is. See how much lighter this one is than that one? You can take these little edges like this, fold them down because you don't need that pointy edge. Isn't that pretty? And they make beautiful roses. And like I said, the darker color you achieve by using either more of your food coloring with less water. And this, I had quite a bit of water and not as much food coloring. Or you can dry them, let them dry after you've soaked them, and then dip them again and let them soak another 20 minutes or so. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? They make beautiful, beautiful wreaths, you know, around your around the sides of your wreath. You can put all these, and for leaves you can use just leaves off of flowers that you buy, say at the dollar store, and pull the leaves off and hot glue the leaves on there if you want to. That's real easy to do. Y'all saw me do it. It's real easy to do. I'm going to include a picture of some that I did, but I had these everywhere. I had them all over the place, and I love them, and they make beautiful gifts. They make beautiful wreaths, all kinds of things you can do with these, or you can just have a huge bouquet of these in a pretty crystal vase, or your favorite vase anywhere you want in your house. Aren't they pretty? So maybe you want to make these soon, because honestly, it's inexpensive as it can be and super easy. Y'all saw me do it. Okay? So I hope y'all have a great day. I hope you enjoyed this craft. It's easy to do. Get to crafting. I will see you soon. And as always, I hope God is good to you today. Bye-bye.